Hello guys, how are you? So today I'll be making this very popular dim sum in the Philippines, and not just in the Philippines, all over the world. This is the siomai.
Hello, taray.
So in this food processor, I have my pork mince. I also have shrimp, and then I've got some spring onions, salt and pepper. I've got a teaspoon of soy sauce, liquid seasoning or knorr seasoning, and I've also got some oyster sauce, and then one whole egg. Okay, now I'm just going to process them so I can mix them all together, and then we'll start wrapping them. It's very easy. All right, let's start. Transfer this to our bowl. So this is now how it looks like after. So I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl, and then we'll start wrapping. So, lagay mo lang siya. So, parang gagawa ka lang ng hole. Tapos, lagay mo siya sa gitna. Okay. Kuha ka lang ng meat. Tapos yung thumb ko, yun yung ginagamit ko para maiganon ko yung kutsara. Okay, so that's how you do it. So I'm just going to put this here, and then this one here. Okay. And then I'm going to press it in, and then I'll move my two fingers up. I'll move it up that way. And then my two fingers will be at the bottom to press them up. And then these two fingers here, instead of holding here, I'm gonna go up while I'm turning it. So that way I am also pressing the top part of my wrapper so that it closes at the top. Okay, so that's one way of doing that. Okay, so that's what it is now. So there's another way of doing it. The other way is just to put it in. And then just put this in the center. And then you just fold this. And then fold the other one. And then you just keep on going around. while folding it. Okay. Keep on going. And then when you reach the end, you move your fingers again, and then this will go up, and we'll just keep on pressing the top part of our wrapper. See, as soon as you press it here, all your meat will go up to the top of your wrapper, and then you just seal the top just like so. There. So there's the two way of wrapping it. You can do either, whatever is comfortable for you, you can do that. Okay, I'll just continue doing this and we'll come back, we'll steam it, and then we'll taste this siomai. All right, see you. Excited. Hello guys, we're back. So ito na yung ating siomai. Ayan na siya. Oh, wow. Sarap. Tapos, with the dipping sauce, I just made soy sauce with lemon juice. If you have calamansi, it's much better. And also if you have chili oil, that's much better. Because I like it with chili oil. But I don't have chili oil at the moment. Aside. Hopefully it tastes good. Oh wow. It's hot. Ang sarap niya. Very delicious. Just the right flavor and seasoning. So, yeah. You can always add soy sauce if you feel like it's not enough. But for me, this is the right flavor. So, I'll put down the ingredients that I use and the measurements that I use for this recipe down into the description box. So, if you like this video, guys, please hit the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button and the bell next to that, so YouTube will notify you every time we post a new video. So thank you guys again for hanging out with us, and yeah, see you next time. God bless and stay safe. Bye. Tama lang.